This is so dangerous. Okay, for mom, no. Safety first is abused and overused, but I am a lab Pratt, and I am this community's first safety officer. Theoretically, wink wink, labs could put success and speed above safety. But in our online community, the first thing we're gonna do is make anonymous Gmail accounts. Why, Lab Pratt? Why? Well, attentive viewer, pure in-person classes and study groups will always struggle with social conformity. But in my classroom, the one thing I want you to realize is it's not what I teach you. You'll forget it probably in a month for some of you, but you're networking with future professionals, and I will not let them label you with that you are stupid. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't like and subscribe. If you like the video, share it to somebody who influenced you in real life. Someone who actually loves you. Find that friend who became family. Find that family. Send him this video and say, hey, I want to talk to you. Anti-influencer, could it be possible?